Hello YouTube family. Today I will be showing you the process that I do to slow cook some beef stew, and this is a very simple process and just a quick meal that will be slow cooking for about 6 to 8 hours. Here in the bowl I already have the beef all seasoned, and I have here the seasoning that I used inside of the meat. I have black pepper, Old Bay, parsley flakes, crushed red peppers, smokehouse maple, love me some smokehouse maple, garlic powder, and adobo seasoning. Also, I have here the Campbell's slow cooker beef stew sauce, and I'll just be adding some carrots inside of the meat. Over here on the stove I have my crock pot already on high heat, and I have a crock pot liner. Yes, this is very convenient because when you're finished with your meal, you simply have to take the crock pot liner out and dispose of it, and you don't have to worry about the messy cleanup of your crock pot. I have a measuring cup here. I will be adding about 2 cups of water and of course my spoon to stir. So I'll just transfer my meat to my crock pot, add my water, and cover that over so that it can start to slow cook. In about an hour or two I will add my beef stew. I can add the beef stew right away, and I may just add the beef stew right away, the beef stew sauce. That way I don't have to worry about getting up and adding anything outside of my carrots, but I will just go ahead and add the meat with the water and my slow cooker sauce, beef stew sauce, and then I would add my carrots later. So there you have it, nice and seasoned. Okay, so here in the pot I've added the water and the beef. Now I am going to add my slow cooker sauce, and then I'll cover it. Once again, it is on high, and I'll cover it over and just allow it to do its thing. So now I went ahead and added the beef stew sauce. It smells delicious already, y'all. And I just want to interject that I did have my meat seasoned and marinating for over 24 hours. I love when I seasoned my meats or whatever I'm cooking for it to be infused with the seasoning, so I tend to do it for a couple hours. Now that everything is in the pot so far, I'm just going to cover that over and let it cook. I will be back when it is almost done, when I add my carrots, and you will see the final process. So it's a few hours later, and as you can see, the meat is cooking and it looks absolutely delicious. Going to add my last ingredient. I added some sauce in there and a little bit of ketchup just to kind of thicken it a bit, but that's pretty much it. But I'm going to cut up some vegetables and add it in the pot. Here I've diced some carrots and some chives, and I'm now going to just transfer this over into the pot. And then I'll allow this to further cook and my stew will be finished. Girl, smells delicious up in here. Smells delicious up in here. My meat, my veggies. Can't wait to dig in. So the stew is ready, everyone. Oh my goodness. The meat is tender, falling off the bone. It is delicious. I've already tried it. Just wanted to show you how it is looking. I do hope you enjoyed the video. You would give this recipe a try. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, like if you like the video, and share it out. If you haven't yet subscribed, be sure to subscribe. And thank you for watching. Do have a wonderful day. Bye. Delicious.